Hi, this is Savinod. Today onwards we are starting performance testing sessions. So in performance testing sessions we are using mainly focusing on Jmeter and loadrunner. So before you know about the Jmeter, so you must and should know what is performance testing and how it will work. So coming videos I will explain each and every topic and very detailed. So coming to here, first of all, like that performance testing. So in performance testing we analyze the system over a period of time under the different conditions like abnormal or normal conditions and large number of use. We can, if you can take any example like that, if you are using the one application, so it will be considered as normal and abnormal conditions. Whenever sometimes you are using with less number of users and you can use after some time like that large number of users, so that time we need to know how many users using, so then what type of load testing it is performed in the normal conditions, like in the application is supposed to work like that. If you can take examples to, for 100 users we are performing the load testing, so you can take the scenario like that 90 to 110 users. The main aim of the load testing is to find out the application performance will start to degrade, like that when the application will be start to degrade, so like that. So coming to stress testing, it is performed in like that in only abnormal conditions, like if the application is designed for 100 users, so we will apply much more users than 100. So then the aim of this testing is find out the application will break, so like that we are testing for the, we are using for that application for 100 users, then you can use that for, you are using that application for more than 200 years, it will be, the application will be break at one point like that 150 or 160 170, so that's the call. So coming to volume testing, in volume testing application is tested with the heavy database size, so that's the requirement. So here if you are coming to here, so in this the performance testing we are using two tools like that, Jmeter and loadrunner. First of all, you know about what is the Jmeter. Like the Jmeter is the open source tool from the Apache and it's the focus of the performance testing. But and Jmeter is designed to cover all categories like load, functional, regression, etc. So it supports many type of applications like that, HTTP, web services, APIs, LDAP, JDBC, Java, FTP, etc. And it supports distributed testing also, so that we can distribute load on multiple missions, so that we can simulate load on and server, network or object, whatever you want with different mission to implement like that real world scenarios. It is a open source one, first of all. So then coming to record and playback. So coming to record the user activity, like that we can, whatever we are performing in the application, we can start recording on that scenario. So when you started the recording the browser and simulate them in the web application. So when we are starting the recording, so it's similar to the application, so using the Jmeter. So even if you have, I think you have doubts now, so how does this Jmeter will works? So it works Jmeter like that, it simulates a group of sending requests. So like that when we are using the application, means like that we are sending the request to the target server, like when we are clicking something and when we are logging also, and returns statistics, data or information, whatever we are logging also. We need to log in, and then after you are logging you will see the dashboard and whatever you want in the application. So like that only here also. So whenever sending request to a target server and return statistics, data or information of the target server or application via table format or graphs and different types of format, whatever you format, like HTML format, like whatever which format you want, so you can use it. It was the inbuilt function. After sending the request, we are getting whatever we are getting. So for the data we are viewing in different formats like that, HTML, tables, graphs formats. So I think this is the concept of the main concept of the performance testing, and how we are using, why you are using, then you can get clarity about Jmeter and all. So coming videos we can discuss about very deep about the Jmeter and loadrunner. I hope you are satisfied and understand this video. If you have any concerns, please comment in the comment section. We have a comment section, so every comment is valuable, so definitely I will give reply. Thank you for your response and thank you for your valuable time.